Hello, creative people. Welcome to our art channel. Today we are going to do a complete review of the Play-Doh colored pencils, and I promise you will be surprised by what we find out. If you like the topic, subscribe to the channel and give it a like. The Play-Doh pencil is a school-colored pencil, manufactured by Faber-Castell, hence the similar shape. It comes in boxes of 12, 24 and 36 colors. These are the colors you see in the box. The difference in this Play-Doh box of 36 are the shades of pink and purple that come in many variations. These pencils are very light and have a pointed body. The pencil does not have a number or color identification written on the pencil. They only come with the pencil brand. I've already done the color chart and I found the colors to be beautiful and well pigmented. The tonal value, which is the variation in color pigmentation, is very good. You can easily go from a light to a dark tone. Before testing them in practice, I want to see if they stain with water. That's great, they don't stain with water. That means I can use these pencils with watercolors. Now let's do the practical test. For this, I'm going to use the illustration from the coloring book Flights of Imagination. The pages of this book can be detached, which makes coloring much easier. These are pencils with very vibrant colors and the pigmentation comes off easily on the paper. The lead is soft and I had no problem sharpening these pencils. The colors blend harmoniously and accepted several layers of color. The white pencil was the one that left something to be desired. It couldn't drag the colors. I had to use a blending pencil for this purpose. For those who don't know how to blend, there's a video here on the channel where I teach 4 different ways to blend your art. I'll leave the link in the video description. The Play-Doh colored pencil, for being a school pencil, really surprised me. The pigmentation is wonderful and you can do very good work with it. I think it's worth buying. So, what did you think of this review of the Play-Doh colored pencil? Leave a comment here if this video helped you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and share this video with your artist friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.